Hello children, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine, right? Okay, so in our previous class, okay, open the page number 60. 60 spelling SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. Open it. Yes, sing the song. Here what we have? We have we have to fill some lines and we have to sing that lines as song. We have sung it in the last class. What it is? Who is this boy? Who is this boy? He is Ishwar. Who is he? He is Ishwar. Who is she? She is Fatima. So, what Ishwar is doing? Ishwar is washing his hands. Yes or no? Yes, what Fatima is doing? Fatima is washing her face. Right? So sing this song. Yes. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your hands. This is the way I wash my hands. Wash my hands. Right? Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your hands. This is the way I wash my hands. Wash my hands. What it is? Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your hands. This is the way I wash my hands. Wash my hands. Got it? Now who is singing this? Ishwar is singing. Yes or no? Yes. Fatima. Fatima, what she is singing? Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash your face. This is the way I wash my face. Wash my face. Got it? Yes. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash your face. This is the way I wash my face. Wash my face. Yes, turn the page now. Yes, who is he? He is Hari. Who is he? Hari. Here you have see what is Hari doing? Hari singing. Who is he? He is Hari. 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 Okay. What is he doing? He is washing his ear. Right? What washing his ear? So sing this. Wash, wash, wash your ear, wash your ear. This is the way I wash my ear, wash my ear. Right? How it is be? How it is? Wash, wash, wash your ear, wash your ear. This is the way I wash my ear, wash my ear. Got it? Yes. Now who is this girl? He is Ganga, right? She is Ganga. What is she doing? She is washing her leg, right? So what we have to do? We have to sing it in this way. Wash, wash, wash your leg, wash your leg. This is the way I wash my leg, wash my leg. Okay? Wash, wash, wash your leg, wash your leg. This is the way I wash my leg, wash my leg. Got it? Yes, in this way you have to sing this song. Yes, here Ganga is washing her leg. Here Hari is washing his ear. Fatima is washing her face. Ishwar is washing his hands. Right? Yes. So now take the page number 61. Take the page number 61, children. 61, 61. 60 spelling SIXTY. 60. SIXTY. 60. One spelling ONE1. Okay? 61. Yes, so what is there in that 61 page number? We have Parts of the body. What is the lesson name? Parts of the body. What is the lesson name, children? Parts of the body. Body. Part spelling Parts. Parts. Body spelling Body. Body. So write the names of the body parts. So here what is there? There's a boy, right? There's a boy, and here we have lines here indicating some parts of the body, and also here we have hints, right? Yes, so we have to write the parts of the body here. Here we have hints here, okay? And now what is this? What is it? Head, right? What it is, children? It is head. In the sense, it is indicating the hair, but the whole part is head. Here we don't have hair to write. We have head. So what we have to write? Head. Spelling Head. 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 Right, children? Head. Head. Finished? Yes, next line, what it is indicating the part. Which part? Eye. Yes or no? They are eyes. We have two eyes. How many eyes we have? Two eyes. This is one eye. This is another one. So what we have to write? It is indicating only one eye. So we have to write eye. Eye spelling EYE. Eye. What is the eye spelling? EYE. 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 Next line. You see here. What it is indicating? Which line? Which part? Nose. Yes or no? What we do with our nose? Okay, we will come for it later. Okay. What is it? Nose. Where it is nose? Nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. N-O-S-E. Nose. Got it? Yes, next one. What it is? What it is? They are lips. But whole thing we call it as mouth. Here you have mouth. Mouth. What is the spelling of mouth? What is the spelling of mouth? M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Yes, next. What is it? What is it? It is neck. Yes or no? What it is? Neck. Here we have neck. Neck. What is the spelling of neck? N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Right. N-E-C-K. Neck. Finished? Yes, next one. Where is the line? Here. What it is? Shoulder. Yes or no? We have two shoulders. So one here we have to write only shoulders. Singular. Shoulder. Shoulder spelling. Yes, what is the spelling of shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Shoulder. Yes, next what it is? What it is? What it is, children? Hand. Yes or no? It is hand. Right, hand. Here, hand. H-A-N-D. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Yes, next. Here what it is, children? They are what they are? What they are? Fingers. Yes or no? Fingers. How many fingers we have? We have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Here we have fingers spelling. Yes, so write fingers. 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 Got it? What is this? What is this? So this one, you tell me what is this? It is leg. Yes or no? What it is? Leg. Right here we have leg. 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 What it is? Leg. Okay. Now you tell me. You don't think this as leg. Here already we have written leg for this. So what it is? The bending part. It is called knee. Here it is knee. Knee. K is silent. So we get knee. How we have to pronounce it? We have to pronounce it as knee. 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 Mokalu. Okay. Knee. Knee. Got it now? Yes, these are the parts of our body. These are few parts of the body, not all. We have so many parts. But from those, these are little important. You have to know for your standard. Got it? Yes, so tell me what it is. Head. What it is? Head. Tell me the spelling. H-E-A-D. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. So here we have only one head. So we have to say head, not heads. Okay? One head. We have only one head. So we have to tell head. H-E-A-D. Head. Next. What it is? Eye. Kannu. Yes or no? Yes. How many eyes are there? 2. We have 2 eyes. There are 2 eyes. So here one is eye. We call one ఒక కన్నుని మనం ఐ అంటాం, రెండు కళ్ళని మనం ఐస్ అంటాం. ఓకే, yes. So here one, it is indicating only one eye, so we wrote eye. If it indicates both eyes, we should write eyes. Okay, yes. Next, here we have what it is. Nose. Spelling N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. What it is? N-O-S-E. Nose. Next, what we have? What it is? Mouth. How many nose are there? One nose. Only one nose. No, that's a nose. We don't call it as noses or something. One nose. Okay, yes. Mouth. We have one mouth. So we have mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. How many necks we have? One neck, right? Yes. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. What it is? N-E-C-K. Neck. Yes. What is it? Shoulder. అంటే భుజము. మనకు రెండు భుజాలు ఉంటాయి. సో కుడి భుజం, ఎడమ భుజం. Left shoulder, right shoulder. So here he indicated only one line. So we have to write shoulder. What is shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. What it is? Shoulder. Next, here what it is? Hand. What it is? We have 2 hands. Yes or no? How many hands we have? We have 2 hands. So what it is? H-A-N-D. Hand. What is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D. Next, what are they? We have 5 fingers for one hand. Yes or no? Total we have 10 fingers. Hand fingers. I'm talking about hand fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Tell the spelling. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Okay. Now what it is? Leg. How many legs are there? 2 legs. There are 2 legs. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. What it is? Leg, leg. What it is? Knee. What it is? Knee. Mokalu. Knee. 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 It is pronounced as knee, not knee. It is knee. Knee. K is silent. Knee. Knee. Okay? Yes, so we have finished body parts. So what it is written here? We respect our body by keeping it clean and by covering it with clothes. What we have to do? We have to respect our body by keeping it clean. Clean in the sense you have to bath daily so that your body gets clean. You have to bath daily. You have to brush your teeth. You have to comb your hair. Okay, you have to cut your nails if they grow long. What I am saying? Yes, you have to cut your nails. You have to cut your hair if it grows. You have to keep your nose clean, your mouth clean. Okay, then you have to cover your body with clothes. So no, we wear clothes. We wear in winter. Which clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes in winter. In summer we wear cotton clothes. In rainy season we wear raincoats. Yes or no? If we go out, we wear raincoats. Yes. So by this you have to keep your body clean and cover it with cloths. Okay. To legs we wear socks. Yes or no? And also shoe. Yes, so here in our body we have sense organs. What are they? What are sense organs, children? How many sense organs are there? How many sense organs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sense organs, right? How many sense organs are there, children? There are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. What are the sense organs? There are 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Yes or no? Yes. How we use eyes? What is the use of eye? We can see with it. Yes or no? With which organ you see? Eye. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Next, what is the use of nose? Yes, if your mama prepares a delicious food, what happens? Yes, you get a smell, right? With which organ you smell? With nose. Nose is used to smell. Eyes are used to eyes. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. Yes or no? Yes. Next, ears. Ears. Sounds we hear with our ear. We hear with our ear. Then tongue. Yes, if you eat food, what it gets? You get taste. Yes or no? Good or bad, you get taste, right? Yes, taste. You taste with your tongue. You taste with your tongue. So we taste with our tongue. Next, skin. Skin. What is the use of skin? We touch with our skin. What? We touch with our skin. Okay. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with the nose. With our nose. We taste with our tongue. We touch with our skin. Yes or no? There are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. What is the useful of what's the use of eyes? We see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. We can smell with our nose. We can hear with our ear. We can taste with our tongue. We can touch with the skin. Yes or no? Yes, by this we have finished the parts of the body. Got it? Stomach. We have stomach also. Toes. Yes. So what we have to do, you have to respect your body by keeping it clean and by covering it with clothes. Okay? You have to keep your body very clean and then you have to cover it with clothes. You have to wear good clothes, washed clothes. Okay? Yes, by this we have finished the lesson parts of the body. We'll meet in the next class.